Today's lecture is fourth process about making of semiconductor. First, we review the prior lecture. So, lithography is one of the most important thing to semiconductor. This process have been made by numerous aperture and depth of focus. And this formula is critical dimension proportional K1 and wavelength of the light. Reversely, improportional is numerical aperture. Also, emergent litho is important too, because of this makes reduce the wavelength remarkably. When we make cutting well, we spin vapor constantly, because if we spin vapor inconstantly, vapor's center and edge thickness is different, and this makes device variability and device performance is very low. When we spinning the big vapors or glasses, we use the method of deep cutting and spray cutting. This makes big vapor well, but when we spinning the small lattice, this method is not good, because these uses are different of mini pattern and not thickness uniformity. Defect is dust and watermark, which makes performance is low or short. When we make PCB, this pact makes mask to mask joining, so circuit is short. So we clean the vapor perfectly. Cleaning method is divided into three processes. First is organic clean, which organic as fingerprint. Second is oxide strip, which silicon substrate makes SiO2 natively. Last is ionic clean. Litho is clean as well as prevention of reinforcement interference by reflection. So we use ARC, anti-reflection cutting, which is prevent two light which is different distance, but join the two light reinforce interference. This is divided in two parts, top ARC and bottom ARC. This depends on where the ARC is placed in the PR. Also, PSM, phase shift mask, is prevent reinforce and overlap too. So when we use PSM, that is use the mask which is put on phase shift mask. OPC is called optical proximity collection, is correct the optical proximity effect. When light exposed, light is broadening, so we use this method, selecting this shape which is wanted. We want to make smaller than prior device, so we use the double patterning process, which is called LELE and SADP. LELE is litho etch, which is trenched and lined double, so make small patterns. But problem is overlay, which is picture-to-picture positioning errors. SADP is use spacer, which is near to gate. This is strong, so used hard mask, but this is also problem called pitch walking, which spacer's height is different, so when we etching this device, pattern size is different, and this causes device performance lower.